Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here. Now here you will find settings, click on it. Now here as you see you can manage your settings as you want. You can manage your account information, your security, your privacy, and your notifications, your billing, your parental controls, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.